In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add solid colored background layer in CapCut PC. To add white or black background in CapCut, what you want to do is to scroll up to Media over here and scroll down to Library, and you'll notice that we have the option to add a black background layer over here and a white background layer over here. But what if you want to add colored background layer? All you need to do is to select the white background and go over to Video, select Adjustments, and come down here and select Curves. And if you scroll down here, using this red curve, you can change the color of the background to red. And if you come down over here, you can also adjust the color of the green over here. You can also adjust the color of the blue over here to create different colors of background. Another alternative is to come over here and delete this black background and go over to your media and import any video onto your timeline. Select the video, go over to Video, reduce the scale of your video over here. Next, scroll down, select Canvas and select Color over here, and you can select any color you prefer over here. And that's it guys on how to add colored background in CapCut PC.